friends, welcome to the Shikshana 2020 YouTube channel. Here in this video, we are going to discuss about the English grammar, like what is the meaning of grammar, what is alphabets, what is the meaning of word, and what is the meaning of sentence. So let's now be starting from the what is the meaning of grammar. My dear friends, grammar is a science of language and it explains to how to read and how to write and establish the sentence. This is the meaning of grammar. And the set of letters in English are we called that's the alphabet of English. And there are 26 alphabets in English. You all know the 26 alphabets: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are the 26 alphabets in English. And in alphabets, there are three kinds of letters: vowels, semi-vowels, and also consonants. There are 5 vowels in English: A, E, I, O, U, and the semi-vowels W and Y. The consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And dear friends, now we are going to learn what is the meaning of word. The word means a group of vowels and consonants gives us a complete meaning is called word. For example, Komdolli, Hanchinal, Malali, Kundugol, Pen, Sarita, Sagar, Garden, House, etc. And dear friends, a group of words gives us a complete meaning or sense is called sentence. It is the meaning of a sentence. For example, Sharda is my own sister. Rama is going to school. We are Indians. Student life is a golden life. These are the examples for the sentences. And there are many kinds of sentences. There are 4 kinds of sentences, which first one assertive sentence, second one interrogative sentence, and third one imperative sentence, and fourth one is exclamatory sentence. These are the 4 kinds of sentences. Dear friends, now we are going to deeply study about these 4 kinds of sentences. First one is, I already told you that the assertive sentence. A sentence which says or explains assertion or statement is called assertive sentence, or a sentence which has a subject, a verb, and an object is called assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is divided into 2 kinds, which first one is affirmative sentence and second one is negative sentence. The affirmative sentence means a sentence which makes positive statement is called affirmative sentence. For example, he is a doctor. India is a land of villages. Sumaya burns the papers. These are the examples for the affirmative sentence. And second one is, I already told you that, the negative sentence. A sentence which makes denies or something is called negative sentence. For example, I have no money. I am not a rich man. Santu is not my relative. These are the examples for the negative sentence. And now, dear friends, we are going to discuss about interrogative sentence. A sentence which asks us a question is called interrogative sentence. For example, what is your father? Are you talking there? Where are you going? What do you want to think? These are the examples for interrogative sentence. There are two kinds of interrogative sentence, which first one WH questions and second one is yes or no questions. WH questions, a question which starts from WH is called WH questions, which has a long answer. For example, what, which, where, why, when, who, whose, how, whom, etc. The second one is yes or no questions, a question which starts with the helping verbs or it has a short answer is called yes or no questions. For example, are you drinking water? Am I right? Can do this work? These are the examples for the yes or no questions. And now we are going to discuss about the imperative sentence. A sentence which express or request or an order or an advice or a wish or a prohibition, etc. is called imperative sentence. For example, give me your book, please. This indicates request. Second one example is that open the door. Here in this sentence, order is there. And third one example is drive slowly. In this sentence, it indicates something is advice. These are the examples for the imperative sentence. The kinds of sentences. Now we are going to discuss the last kind of a sentence, that was the exclamatory sentence. A sentence which expresses some sudden strong emotions such as joy, sorrow, a fear, a surprise, anger, etc. is called an exclamatory sentence. For example, what a tragedy it is. Here in this sentence, it shows us a surprise. And second one example, how cruel he was. Here in this sentence, the anger which it shows. How beautiful it is. Here in this sentence, the joy comes out. So these are the examples for the exclamatory sentences. So dear friends, we are in this video, we explained about the kinds of sentences, and we learned what is the grammar and what is the word and what is the meaning of sentences. So thank you all.